Hello, welcome to my part 2 video about how to use Microsoft Word. So, in the previous video, we were talking about basic beginner features. Now we will talk about more advanced features which are there in Microsoft Word. So, one of the features is columns, where you can have different pieces of text on the same screen. Let me show you. Go to the page layout tab and then click columns. And then on the page you can modify how many columns will be there. If you want to put 3, it puts the 3 different paragraphs on the 3 different columns. You can also customize the columns. You can have more than 3 columns. You can also decide if there's a line between the columns or not, like this. Suppose you have lots of text in one column, for example in here, and you've got less text in the other columns. Simply find a place where you want to transfer the text to the next column, go into the break section and click column break, and then all of this text gets shifted to the new column, and then do the same to the next column. Insert, breaks, column break, and now it is relatively equal. The different columns have got relatively equal amounts of text. If you have an image in your text, the position command can help you place your image at a particular position on the page. The text flows around it automatically. To use the position command, do as follows. Select the image, click the Format tab that appears under Picture Controls. So basically, that means that right click the picture, go into Wrap Text, and here you've got lots of different options. If you want it to the left with the text flowing around it, you can do like that. If you want it to the right with the text flowing around it like this, you can also set it so. Now, if you're someone like me, you like shapes a lot. So I will now show you how to use shapes. Click the position where you want to insert the shape. For example, I want a shape here. Go to the Insert tab. Click the Shapes option in the Illustrations group. And just click on any shape that you would like. You can get 3D shapes. I'll do a 3D shape, and then you can make shapes like this: big, small cylinder, big cylinder, long cylinder, wide cylinder, and then after that, save and close. Good news. In the shape, you can also write text in it. This is a very wide, fat cylinder. And it actually saves onto the main shape. One quite handy tool is also the text box. Insert, go into drawing, select text box. Put whatever message you like. And then edit the text box. You can choose the color. You can choose many stuff. And for a text box, it doesn't always have to be rectangular. As I told you before, we can also write in shapes, right? So, you can write in these shapes too. Once you've got this text box, it doesn't always have to be just a rectangle, as I said, but you don't have to take a shape and write in it either. you can just say anything in the text box and directly in the shape option change its shape. It can be anything. To make a page more visually interesting, you can also add a color to the background, a border to the page, and you can also add watermarks. Let's learn how to do this. These commands are available in the page background group. To apply a background color to the page, go into page color and you can set it to whatever background color you like. And to apply a border, right next to it there's this page border option. Over here you can choose to apply a border just to the bottom. You can add weight like this. You can change the color, you can change the style. You can do lots of things with the border. And before the video ends, my last tip for you is that if you have a text box like this, you can very easily change the text. You can change its fonts. You can change its size. You can make the text bold, italic. You can underline it, strike through it. You can even change the color. You can do literally anything to the text in a text box if you use these methods. Well, thanks for watching my video. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe because I like subscribes.